Your time is now. If you're young and unsure, if you feel lost in a world full of noise, pressure, and expectations, let me tell you something real. This world was built by people who started exactly where you are. They didn't have it all figured out. They didn't have perfect plans or perfect conditions. What they had was the courage to begin, and so do you. They'll tell you to wait, to grow up, to be realistic, to follow the system, to work hard, retire at 65, and then live. But let me ask you something. What if the system wasn't built for your dreams? What if your purpose can't wait until you're 65? What if your time is now? You're not too young. You're not too late. You're not too inexperienced, too unprepared, or too far behind. You are right on time. This generation, your generation, was born into one of the most powerful eras in human history. You carry in your pocket a tool that can create businesses, spread ideas, and change lives. Your phone is more powerful than the computers that sent the first humans to the moon. So don't just scroll, create. Don't just consume, build. Don't just wish, work. There's a voice in your head that says you're not ready. That voice is a liar. No one is ever fully ready. Success doesn't wait for perfect people. It waits for action takers. So don't wait for confidence. Take the first step, even if your hands shake. Say yes to growth, even if your voice cracks. Do it scared. Do it unsure. Do it anyway. The truth is, every winner was once a beginner. Every expert was once a rookie. Every great speaker once stumbled over their words. Every strong leader once doubted themselves. You're not meant to be perfect. You're meant to grow. And growth doesn't happen in comfort zones. It happens in late nights, early mornings, silent struggles, and quiet consistency. It happens when no one's watching. When you keep pushing, even when quitting seems easier. You don't need a degree to start. You don't need money to hustle. You don't need permission to believe in yourself. What you need is discipline, focus, fire, a reason that's bigger than your fear. Find your why, and nothing can stop you. If you feel stuck right now, remember this. You're not stuck. You're being shaped. Pressure doesn't break diamonds. It creates them. You are being refined for something greater. Every setback is setting you up for a stronger comeback. Every no is making room for the right yes. Every failure is a step forward, as long as you learn and keep moving. You're not the only one battling self-doubt. You're not the only one who feels behind. You're not the only one comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. But hear me. Your journey is your own. It's not supposed to look like anyone else's. Don't copy them. Become you. This world doesn't need another copy. It needs your voice, your story, your heart. There's only one you in all of history. That's not an accident. That's your power. You want to be successful? Start by mastering your mornings. Start by guarding your mindset. Start by choosing growth over comfort every day. Replace excuses with action. Replace fear with focus. Replace doubt with daily discipline. Success is not luck. It's not magic. It's earned. By what you do when no one's watching. You don't have to be famous to be impactful. You don't have to go viral to change lives. Your voice can lift someone up. Your work can inspire thousands. Your courage can be the spark someone else needs to begin. So lead with heart. Show up even when it's hard. Be consistent when it's boring. Be bold when it's scary. Let them laugh. Let them doubt you. Let them say it's impossible. Just don't let them stop you. Because here's the truth. You're not chasing a dream. You're building a legacy. And legacies aren't built in one day. They're built every day. With vision, grit, and unshakable belief. So when life gets hard, and it will, don't fold. Don't back down. Don't let fear make decisions for you. Stand up, speak up, step up. You were not born to be average. You were born to rise. Your time is now. Not next year. Not when everything feels safe. Not when people approve. Now. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to start right here, right now. Because one day the world will look back and realize that the person they doubted was the one who made history.